Hey, hello, Airsoft Land. This is the Knievel fan, and I'll be shooting 4 of my airsoft guns. I have a military pistol, military folding stock assault rifle. I have a 44 Magnum pistol, and I have a miniature see-through AUG. And first, I will be shooting you the 44 Magnum, and I'll go from there to there, to there, to there. Probably the most powerful two are these two, and they're my newest ones. I bought them a couple days ago, and they're very, very good. So, I'm going to shoot the 44 Magnum for you first. It has actual ones like those, and then you cock it. Right. You cock it like that. Okay. A couple of these will not have bullets in them, but it's alright. Oh, I hit the side. Bullseye. Yep, I know. So, I only shot 4 bullets, but it's a real nice gun. And now let's go to the AUG. You pull that back to shoot, and then you have the folding thing. You can go up or down, whichever way you like. Now, yeah, it's raining today, but that's why I decided to do it on my porch. There I go. I'm going to scoot back a little. Okay. It shoots bullets pretty fast, but it's not the best at accuracy. I've shot a couple of these on my first. I did another video, but I'm not gonna put that one on YouTube because it's not very good. And I did a review before this, and I used the big humongous ones like that and stuff like that. Were from my military guns, and now I'll be doing the military one that has the folding stock. Or actually, I'll do the pistol because I want to save the big one for the last. This is a very, very powerful pistol. So I'm getting around 10 to 15 feet away from the military guns. And here goes first shot. Second. And it holds 12. The magazine holds 12 bullets. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm hitting it. Bullseye. I know that I get bullseyes and stuff because I can see where I'm shooting from when I shoot, and I got that bullseye. I got that one and that one, and I got that. Some of these, not all of them, but I also got that and stuff. Got those two. Got those. Got those. It's a real good, powerful gun. You want to use it in war. And now let's do this one. You push up on the stock and pull back. Okay? And really, really powerful weapon. And there's a thing right there, and you pull it back to cock. So, hope you like this gun, and I'm going around 10 to 15 feet away. Oh, share that time. That was bad. That was close to bullseye, I think. This one shoots really, really fast. And it has 4 tactical rails. You can put stuff like ACOG sights on it. Really helpful. I shoot with the stock on, and because it just helps me. But whichever is better for you, with stock or without stock, whichever is better for you, you can still do. 2 bullet. That was a double shot. Oh gosh, that one hit me in the leg. Even when it ricochets, it still hurts you. Oh gosh. Whoa, that one went high. And you can put more hop up or less hop up. I put more hop up from the normal, but you don't have to. You can put whatever one you like. And that was all my guns. So rate, comment, subscribe, and this is my target. So yeah, thank you, and bye.